Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 1.3. Let A is a set which has elements 1, 2 and a set 3, 4 as an element and the last element is 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect and they're asking you why. So let's start with the first subdivision. They've given you set 3, 4 is a subset of A. Please remember 3, 4 is actually an element of the set A. Although it is a set inside a set. So in this case, I cannot say 3, 4 is a subset of A. I have to say it is a belongs to. So the first statement is false. So what is wrong? I'm going to correct it. So this is 3, 4 actually belongs to A. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So here they have told whatever we have corrected, they have given here, see 3, 4 belongs to the set A. So which statement is true? So I'm writing it as T. Now let's take up the third question. So here they are telling you it's a set that is 3, 4. This is going to be a subset of A. So this is true because if you have to remember 3, 4 itself is a set that is sitting inside the A. So if I have to refer it, I have to refer it as another set with double bracket. So in this case, the third subdivision is also true. Then the fourth one, 1 belongs to A, that is true. So I'm going to mark this as a tick. Then 1 is a subset of A, definitely not. 1 belongs to A is true, but 1 is not a set without any brackets. So this is going to be equal to false. Now let's take the third case. 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. So this is definitely true because we have written it in bracket style. So 1, 2 and 5 is a set. This set is obviously a subset of A. So the sixth one is true. Now let's take the seventh one. 1, 2, 5. They've written inside a bracket. So it is a set. You cannot use the symbol belongs to for this. So this is going to be equal to false. Now let's take the third one. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. See, it is a set, so I have no problem there. But 1 and 2 is also not an issue. However, you don't have a direct element in 3 because 3, 4 is a set embedded inside A. So actually the eighth question or statement is false. Now, the ninth question. Null set belongs to A. If you see, there is no null element here. They have not marked this as true. So this statement is going to be false. However, when I say null set is a subset of A, it is definitely true. All elements or all set will have a null set as its subset. So that is true. And in the last case, they are giving you a set with a null element which is going to be a subset of A. That is also not true because we don't have such an element listed here. So the 11th statement is actually false. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.